Hi everyone, this is Dr. Beena Nangia, back again but after a very long time. I thought that there are so many webinars and so many online things happening that I should just take a break and come back to you when you're in the middle of everything. Okay, so today I am not going to be really talking about dyslexia or learning disabilities or ADHD, but I am going to just share my own idea about how we should be teaching positive thoughts to our kids. So, this is a make-believe, experience, but I have been talking to my grandkids, and so let me tell you how it goes. One day, Arjun, my grandson, and me were walking on the road, and we saw two dogs fighting at a distance. One was a big, black, huge dog, and the other one was a smaller dog. So I turned around at Arjun and I said, Arjun, which of these two dogs is going to win in this fight that is going on? So Arjun looked at me and it was like, oh grandma, what kind of a question is that? But he looked at me again and said, of course, obviously the big black dog who is more strong, and he is definitely going to win between the two dogs. So I said, wow Arjun, that was a smart answer. And then we started walking further down. I must tell you that Arjun is an 8-year-old. So as we were walking, I thought I should use this idea to teach Arjun about being positive. So I said, Arjun, do you know that in our head are also two dogs? Again, Arjun just looked at me so surprised and wondering what I'm saying. I said, no, they are make-believe, okay? They're not for real. But there are two dogs and they keep constantly fighting in our head. Tell me more, Arjun said, because he was curious. So I told him that these dogs keep fighting and tell me which one of the two is going to win. So Arjun looked at me and said, obviously grandma, the one that is stronger is going to win. So how does that one become stronger, Arjun? I asked him. Arjun scratched his head and thought for a while and then looked at me and said, you know what grandma, the one that we feed is going to become stronger. The more we feed that dog, he's going to become stronger. Just like my mom feeds me so that I become strong and healthy. There, you've got it right, Arjun, I said. And of course, the one that is stronger is going to win. But now tell me, how are you going to make this one in your head stronger? Arjun again scratched his head, so I thought I better give him the answer. I said, see, the more positive thoughts we give to this dog, the more it is going to grow and it will overpower the negative thoughts. So keep feeding good positive thoughts to this dog and he is going to grow, which means the more positive you are, the stronger you become in your positive thoughts and the negative thoughts keep away. So keep working on the positive thoughts always and let it grow. Arjun looked at me, smiled and said, grandma, from today onwards I am going to only feed the positive dog. So I thought to myself, wow, okay, now that this has been understood, so dear parents, teachers and my friends, use this story to create positivity in your kids and tell them that they should always be strong, positive children to be able to handle any situation in life. So keep watching, keep listening, and thank you for your emails and your phone calls. Till next time, bye-bye, take care, and God bless you all.